today's video, I'm gonna show you this product that I just found on Amazon and I ordered it. So once they were shipped, I'm recording this video. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Anastasia. I am a professional hairstylist. I'm actually from Ukraine, Kiev, capital of Ukraine, and I just moved to United States 5 months ago because of the war. And right now I'm in Hawaii, United States, and I just started my YouTube channel from scratch 2 months ago because hair and like doing hair, showing hairstyles is just my passion. I love what I am doing. And how all the YouTubers are saying, smash the subscribe button, like my video, comment down below, because I just need your support. And I'm really nervous because English is not my first language, and it's like a bit hard to talk English so secure, and some moments I'm not so I'm insecure about my English, but I will try, you know. I just need to start that, and that's how I will improve my English. By the way, you're so lucky that you have Amazon in the United States. In Ukraine, we don't know what is Amazon. I mean, we heard about Amazon. We heard that you can sell products on Amazon, you can make business on Amazon, you can buy a bunch of stuff on Amazon. I mean, almost everything. But we couldn't order it to Ukraine. Now I'm so happy that I can experience Amazon shopping, because all my products that I'm ordering here are almost from Amazon. Even the microphone that is right now on my phone, because I just need good sound for the videos. Okay, let's start. I really found that so interesting. There is like a special hair twister. I don't know if you heard about that or seen that before. I just want to show you how to use this properly on your hair and how to make like a nice hairstyle using this hair accessories. Actually, when I was reading the reviews on Amazon, I just found like several stores there, but mostly of them, like not this store that I ordered from, this band just came with the broken clips. But when I order my hair accessories, all come in the good quality condition. Or actually, I just ordered this kind of fancy one for evening. I think it's really looking so beautiful. So I will change my dress later and I will show it guys to you. I will now put some music on my video and you will see how I'm putting that on my head. Okay, let's, I don't know, start with this one, with the black one. But before I will show you exactly how to put this and use this on your hair, I just want to tell you one my professional hair tip, because I always use a dry shampoo before I'm starting doing any hairstyle, because it makes your hair looking more full and adds your more volume to the roots. So I love volume, and now I'm living in Hawaii. There is like so big humid. I just hate it sometimes, and I just use it to add some volume. So this one, I'm sure you heard about that, Not Your Mother's brand. I'm trying that for the first time. It has so many reviews on Amazon. It's really working good, and I like how it doesn't have any white color on your roots. Dry shampoo is one of my favorite things to use on my hair actually. love how it looks like. It's so fast, it's so convenient, and it really will work for people if you have like a bang and if you don't like it. You can easy just buy the headband and just put back all your bang, and it'll be looking so nice and not going towards your face. Okay, so now it's turn to try this special accessory. It's just like for the one side of your hair, and I think it's also very convenient if you want just to have some volume over here. Just put it here and make some twists, and it will be looking like a nice easy hairstyle, if especially when you have your hair curled like mine. So let's go. Now, as you can see, guys, I just changed my dress a little bit to look more evening style, to show you this more fancy headbands. I really loved this one with the pearls, this one's like one clip, and this one mixed, and it looks so interesting and so beautiful and pretty with this dress. What do you think, guys? And I like how easy is that. You just put a headband, place your front pieces of the hair inside of the headband, and you're ready to go. It's really so nice and easy look. You just curl your hair, and if it's really hot, it's so convenient. So here you're not sweating, and it's looking so beautiful. I love it. And I have here also 3 more headbands, the same technique, so you just use as I showed before in the video, and you just choose your look, choose your headband and go. And I will leave the links for exactly these products, these headbands, down below the video, so you can get yourself if you want the same one and look very stylish and very easy to make your different looks. I hope you guys love my video. If you do, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave comment down below, like my video, and please share this video to your friends so they also know how to use these cool headbands. Bye!